Alright, just picked this up at a yard sale along with some other Xboxes. But this one was the coolest. It's a special edition Halo 3 casing. It didn't come with the hard drive. So luckily I have spare. This is from one of those white consoles. I don't know if it will work, but this one here has been refurbished. We're gonna plug her in and hopefully this unit works. Now the guy that I bought this from told me that this does not work. I don't know if he thought it didn't work because did he know it needed a hard drive? Maybe, I don't know. But if this doesn't work, I do have another Xbox 360 with a really bad case. It's a white one. I'm thinking I'm just gonna swap it. Put those internals in here. I don't know what's. I think it's just this here that's special. I don't know. This is the broken one. See that? So I got a broken case. Not only the case is, well, the whole case is mangled. Yeah, it's broken everywhere. Front as well. Even the button. It's in really rough shape. So I've been holding on to this for probably 4-5 years. I'll just show you at the end or in the middle. But right now, I'm not going to film the whole thing because it's very boring. That wasn't boring. That was cool. It's just a mess. Look at that. I could go like that because I don't need that. This case is really rough. See that? Look at the rust. It's marked here July 2009. Alright, let me get to this. Well, since I have this one apart, I'm going to go ahead into the shop and blow off all this dust, debris, clean the insides basically, because I want this thing to be nice. See all that dust, I can see all that dust in there. I'm going to remove the cover, blow it out, clean out the fans. Look at that. It's horrible. Disgusting. Let me go ahead and do all that. I also have to remove the Halo cover from the other one without breaking one piece. So, wish me luck. Okay, I went ahead, cleaned it all up. Now I just got to take a few of these screws out, which I just skipped because I didn't care about that cover. But definitely this needs to come out. And you know what? Now it's going to spin because now there's nothing holding it. See that right here? Okay, that one I didn't need it. There it is. This one, yeah, this one's I'm gonna have to hold. Let's see if I can get this one out. Yeah, I got it. As you can see, there it is. I went ahead, I already blew out this whole thing, like I just said. I think I mentioned that. Very nice and clean. Oh, thunder coming. And there goes the dog. So it's ready to go into the other shell. I'm just going to set that off to the side over here. Now, well, let me take the hard drive. And that hard drive is originally from the one I just disassembled. This is trash. This broken stuff here. I need a bigger workspace. It's because this microscope. Ended up getting this digital microscope. So far I'm loving it. I should have bought this a long time ago. Okay, so look at that beautiful thing, huh? I would love to test this thing, you know, but well. I don't know what is first. I think it's this cover down here. No, I don't want to break this because then I will be not in a happy mood. Let's see. I think, ooh, this one's got rust as well. So now, oh, and I broke it. You know, it's so fragile. I'm gonna have to replace it with a gray. Oh, man. I tried not to break the damn thing, and it broke. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I felt it was just so fragile. You know, like rotted, dry rot. Look at this. Yeah, horrible. Oh yeah, see? It was bound to happen. It was just bound to happen. Look at this. It's so fragile. This thing must have stood in the heat so long. Yeah, see? This thing is just... It's falling apart. Literally. Oh, you know what? I should keep the feet on this. I'll set that off to the side. Damn. What a bummer. Look at that. See that? That's bad. This one's a lot worse condition. I bet you yeah, now I know why this thing don't work. It's probably rusted galore inside. I don't even know if I want to take this side. Actually, look at it. It's already broken. I didn't even notice that. This is all broken. Well, luckily, I got the gray. That's not broken. So, it is what it is. I got both gray sides from that white one I just took apart without breaking. This one, somebody already broke it. He must have broke it, the owner, or whoever. Alright, so that scares me a bit because now that tells me that this here has potential to crack. I don't want to crack it. I don't see any cracks on this thing. So if there is a crack later on, that was me, which I don't want to do that. I do see this huge scratch where the gold is. We're going right through it, coming down here. You see that? That's a bummer. And something's loose inside. Definitely a parts unit. Okay, wish me luck. I'm gonna get off camera and I'm gonna see what's my approach on this. I don't want to break this. I will break this real fast. Alright, I've got her plugged in. Let's see if she powers on. Oh boy, nothing. Why? Is this on? Yeah. Hold on. Sometimes down here, it just messes with you. Okay. Alright, let's see if she goes on. Oh boy, you're kidding me. I did all that work. It doesn't power on? Kidding me? I know this works, this thing. There we go. Alright, so I gotta change the input on this. Come on. So far nothing. Oh, there it is. It's on AV. Okay. Oh yeah, she's booting up. There it is. I have this temporary thing onto it in the back through the USB. Let's see if it works. I never try this. Nope, it's not working. Maybe I need to oh, there we go. Wait. How do you do this? Oh yeah, right there. Okay.